Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing another Scratch tutorial, but this time I'm just going to be introducing you guys to the concept of motion blocks, looks blocks, and sound blocks. Okay, so I'm just going to be going through each of the blocks over here and explaining what they do, and I'm going to be using this sprite as the example. All right, so we're going to start off with the motion blocks, which is all these blue blocks over here. So the first one says move 10 steps. As you can probably tell, it just moves your sprite 10 steps forward. You can change this numbers, like say I want to make it move more, then I say 100 steps, moves a lot more. And if I want, and when I say move 10 steps, it only moves to the right. But if I want to make it move to the left, I say negative 10 steps. Yeah, now it's moving to the left. Okay, so for a sprite, these X coordinate and Y coordinate, they're pretty important because you always have to use them if you want to position your sprite other places. Like over here, I can put in the middle of the map by doing 0 to both. So now it's in the middle. But if you want in your code to say where it should go to at a certain point in time, just type it in here, say 130x and 130y. It would go there. So like over here, you can see that the X and Y coordinates also changed. Point and direction. This one is more of, it's not like you're telling the sprite to move. Like you're just like telling it that like point in this direction. So I can make it point up by going, just moving this around. So like click on this. Yeah, now it's pointing to the left. That's just kind of what this does. And if I want to make it point straight again, set to 90. Yeah. And set X is like if you want to move it to a certain place on the screen, but like only changing the X coordinates, like X to 45 moves to 40 to there. Yeah. So moving on to the looks blocks. So first comes these say and think blocks. These ones are used pretty standardly. So if I want to make my balloon just like speak to the viewer, you just click on this and it'll just say hello for 2 seconds. Now this block says hello forever. So there's no like time limit. It'll just keep saying hello until you press the stop sign. Moving on, switch costume. So over here is where costumes play a part. So if you look up here and these 3 things over here, code is what we're looking at right now. But if you go to costumes, you can see this balloon, and then you can see 2 other versions of the balloon. So then if you want, say in the middle of your game, to like switch the costume to the yellow balloon, click on switch costume to balloon 1B, and it'll switch to yellow. Okay, so show and hide are probably blocks that you're going to use a lot. So like if you, at one point in your game, if like, say you're doing a game where it's like, if you reach 25 points, you win the game. So then during the game, you'd want the sprite to show, but then say after you reach 25 points, you want the sprite to hide. Then just add the hide block and hide it. Moving on to sound. So if you look back up here, you go to sounds and then hover over here and you'll see choose a sound from basically the sound library, record your own voice saying something, like a voiceover or something, and then like a surprising random thing will show up, or upload a sound from your files over here. Files. So we'll just, so go into the sound library, just choose anything. I'll go with Alien Creek 2. So this one will play sound. Right. So this one will just play the sound like that until it's finished. And then this one you just put if you want to stop everything. If there are like tons of sounds, you can just click on the stop all sounds. Yeah, that's basically all the blocks, the important blocks from the motion, looks, and sound section. Okay, so that was today's YouTube video, and if you guys really liked it, please drop a like down below and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you, bye.